2012 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless entry, cruise control, 6-speed automatic transmission standard, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless start, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, premium sound system, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.